Hey guys, girls, and everyone in between. So this intro is going to look different than the rest of the video. You'll notice my top is different. It's actually a week and a half later, but I'm just getting ready to upload and I totally forgot to film an intro that day, so I really quickly redid the makeup look. I say really quickly as if it took 10 minutes and it probably took at least 45. Anyway, I just want to come in here and do an intro real quick. If you haven't watched my other video, it's a thrift haul. I mentioned this look in there. I'm wearing that look in that video. I will link it down below. Let me know if you guys want to see more tutorials using the Urban Decay Born To Run palette, because so far I'm really loving it. So I would love to do more looks. I'm actually probably going to do more looks either way. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Give this video a thumbs up if you feel the need to. Follow me on Instagram. I've been killing it lately over there, in my opinion, as far as my photos have been going. So it'd be really cool if you guys stuck around and watched more of my videos. If not, that's cool, I understand. But let's jump into the tutorial. Bye. So to start this eye look out, I'm going to be going in with the color Still Shot, which is this really pretty corally color, and I'm going to use that as my transition shade all up in the crease on a big fluffy brush. So obviously, as you can tell already, I have my brows on and my base and one eye done already. And I just did that because I wasn't sure what I wanted to do. And I don't know if you guys like seeing me do my foundation and the whole routine in every video, so just to kind of save some time. If you want to see that every time, let me know. Otherwise, I'm gonna have everything listed down below. Next, I'm gonna go in with the color Hellride and Still Shot mix. So Hellride is just this really pretty, like, deep fuchsia color, purple, pink situation, and then obviously Still Shot is that more corally color. Just gonna pack that right there. A lot of my favorite brushes are dirty right now, so what we can do with what we've got. And I'm gonna say these colors are super, some of them are super pigmented, some of them aren't. And I don't mind if a shadow isn't super pigmented, because that means I can build it up to the intensity that I personally like. Just gonna blend that again. This next step is totally pointless, but I did it on the other eye, so I'm gonna do it on this one too. I took the color Wildheart, which is a shimmery color right here, and I used my finger and just packed that all over at the center of my lid. It's totally pointless because we end up covering it up anyway, but what I did on the other eye, I gotta do on this one. So I'm not sure where I left off, but my camera ran out of memory, so I had to go through and deal with all of that. But next we're gonna go in with the color Ignite, which is this really pretty orangey bronze color right here. I'm gonna use a wet brush because it's a shimmery color, but I want it to be metallic, so that's what we're gonna do. And then we're gonna take that and just pretty much cover up where we put Wildheart. Like I said, Wildheart was really unnecessary, but I had done it on the other eye, so this is what we're doing. I'm concentrating that mostly in the center of my lid. And now I'm going to take the same brush that we used Hellride on and just go around the edges. Same brush, we're going to take the color Stranded, which is right here. It's this really pretty, like, gold champagne color. And we're going to put that even more concentrated in the center of the lid, just for some extra dimension. So to add a little bit of dimension, we're going to take the color THRIFT, which is right here. It's like a dark purple gray shimmer situation, but I feel like the shimmer doesn't show up a ton, so put a little on the outside. So, and I feel like it just really adds like a nice bit of dimension. And then I take an even smaller amount, put that on the inner corner. A blending brush, just kind of blend everything together. Now I'm going to take the first color we used, which is Still Shot, that gorgeous corally color. I'm just going to go along the edges right here and just intensify that a little bit more. Okay. Moving on to the lower lash line, I'm going to take this Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Pencil, and this is in the color Psychedelic Sister. It is a shimmery purple color, but it doesn't have like no shimmer, but not a ton. So I'm going to put that on the outer and inner portion. And for the center, I'm going to use a Colourpop liner. And this is in the color Get Paid. I don't know if they make this anymore, but they do. It's really pretty. It's like a rose gold color. I'm just kind of mimicking what we did on the upper lid. And then to blend it out, I'm going to be taking this little smudger brush. And I like to go pretty low with my eyeshadows down here. So I'm going to take the same wet brush and the color Stranded and Ignite, just mix those together. And put that on the lower part in the center. Okay, and then for the outer and inner, I'm going to take the color Hellride and Drift and mix them. Just run that right there for a little bit of color. Then underneath all of that, I'm going to take the same brush I used Still Shot on and just go under everything. Breakaway and then Stranded. Breakaway is kind of a really white creamy color with the smallest amount of shimmer to it. So mix those and then put that on the inner corner like so. And then up onto the highest point of the brow bone. And then for my tight line, I'm going to be using this Kat Von D Lash Liner. This is my first time using it because I bought it Friday and I'm recording this Sunday. And it's an experience. Then for mascara, Too Faced Better Than Sex. I still haven't gotten a new tube. I'm going to wait until this Friday and buy some from Sephora because they're doing their relaunch of the point system, and Rouge members get a head start on the sale, 20% off starting the 24th, and then I think VIP and Insider starts the next weekend, but I know it's from the 24th to the 3rd if you're Rouge, which I am. And then for lashes, I'm using the Salon Perfect lashes in 615, like this. Oh, while we're waiting for the lash glue to dry, I figured we could work on the rest of the face. I don't really know what I want to do, but I've already got like bronzer, contour, concealer, foundation, brows, all the good stuff on. So we're gonna do blush, and I have a couple different options I kind of want to use. Let me grab one. So for blush, I have a couple different options I might try out. This is NYX blush and Codebreaker. This is one of their ombre blushes, and then I have two Wet n Wild blushes from the the Hummingbird collection. Yeah, birds, something birds. I know it's involved. I have this in the color Don't Flutter Yourself, which is like a pinky coral, and then this is a Dare to Soar, which is like a really pretty bright purple color. So let's hold them up to our face and see which one we pick. I think I'm gonna mix these two. We're gonna start with Dare to Soar, which is the purple one, purpley pink one. I think this will really go nicely with the eyes, so let's hope it works. This is my first time trying this one. I like that. Okay, do a little bit more. Yep, that's the money right there. Now we'll go on with Don't Flutter Yourself, just as like a nice little topper on top of it. put that one closer towards the back and kind of use it like a highlight. Ooh, these are good. I've used this one before, but never like this. Highlights, I'm gonna go in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills and Nicole Guierro palette and go in with the color Kitty Cats, which is a really pretty pink color. And these are really, really pigmented and glittery, so. I know you see that. I love this palette, but I'm scared to use it like a lot because it was limited edition and I don't want to run out. We're gonna go with lips before setting spray, and I feel like I use the same lip over and over every day, so I'm gonna try to switch it up. This is the Colourpop Ultra Satin Lip in collaboration with Kathleen Lights. This is the color Dreamy. So for setting spray, this is just my little bottle of Kat Von D Locket and Pixi Glow Mist. It's in this little bottle because when I went to Florida a couple weeks ago, I wanted to take them both, but I only had enough in each bottle to fill this, so I just mixed them. Alright, so this is the completed look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm sorry for not talking at a normal volume like I am right now. I'm still getting used to talking with other people being home, and Matt is home usually when I'm filming, so I'll work on getting better at being more comfortable in front of the camera, but until then, please bear with me. Subscribe if you haven't already. I'll be putting out 2 videos every week. I don't have a set schedule yet, but just expect 2 videos from me every week. My next video should be a thrift haul, a collective thrift haul, so if you like videos like that, stick around for that. Hit the like button if you liked it. Follow me on Instagram, that is where I'm the most active. And comment some video suggestions down below. Always appreciated, because obviously I want to do what you guys want to see, as well as film what I want to do as well. So yeah, this is the completed look. Hope you guys like it, and I will see you next time. Bye.